like this little road right here. Like I said, not that I fly along. I'd probably break my neck if I had that capability to go too fast anyways, because I want to look at everything. So I'd be like sitting there staring off onto the gully and fly into a boulder or some crap. Yeah. Well, that's, yeah, I found that out. I had so much early on footage where, you know, like a bobblehead, you know, I'm just like all over the damn place, and so I'm gonna make this hard left. Oh, you going off the road a little? That ain't good. But yeah, so I got tons of footage. It's that kind of stuff where it's just unusable because I was all over the damn place. Yeah, no, you're right. Oh. I ended up hitting that rock in the mud hole on my peg, and then I kind of tried going up the muddy rut. Ah. Saw a trail going up the hill there on our left. If we have to backtrack, I'll be interested to go up it. I think I got a spider on my nose. Whatever it was is gone. I've gone through a couple of these webs strung across the road, and I felt something tickle in my nose. I could feel it walking across it. You want to lead? And oh no, it keeps going. Thought that was, huh? This is. I thought that was going to peter out to just a little turnaround right there. This trail is petering out though, kind of looks like. I don't know. Getting more over. Yeah, and sometimes it's almost a single track instead of a double. Alright, you want to lead? Let you have fun with some of those spider webs. Actually, I haven't had that many since I brought it up. Yeah. Yeah. Well, with as limited ground clearance as I have, is I can get over the log, but it's when it pops up, it still smacks the pan. That was actually the first thing I did to this bike, was the skid plate, because I was reading about too many people that they wanted to use it as a little adventure bike, and they'd just be going through their little grass front yard, and they'd hit like a little root sticking up, and there's the original plastics down below had a screw that stuck straight up, and they put a hole right in their oil pan when they bottomed out on it. Yeah, it was really bad design by Honda. So I got rid of the plastic as soon as I read about that, because I went out and looked at it, and sure enough, plastic, or the screw stuck up above the plastic like 3/4 of an inch. And then I ordered the skid plate. Yeah, I've got like 6, and I probably lose a 1/2 inch with this skid plate. They're pricey. Yeah. Yeah, if I had something like what you have here in Wisconsin anyways, I don't know that I'd mess with a better skid plate because of the ground clearance issue and such. Oh, those have thorns. Holy crap. Yeah. But this thing having, one, I was in Arizona anyways when I bought it, but it has so little ground clearance. So like if you had done your Buell, for example, I'd do a skid plate. That was one thing with those the little Honda 250 I had that would probably work on other bikes, is they were just using flat nose shovels and then cutting the handle part, you know, of it off, and but yeah, you know, bolting them up in there. So I could see that working on like a DRZ if need be, you know, just to find a flat nose shovel at a yard sale or somewhere cheap. I'm wondering if this is a snowmobile trail. Because it's late enough in the season, I'd expect if there was a lot of ATVs early on, would have worn more of a 2-track on this. Ah, this is pretty awesome. Too bad I don't have some sort of a follow my tracks app on my phone. I've tried a couple and they always gave me grief, so I delete them. But I'd be curious just to go back and look at Google Earth at where we're at. The end of it, or a... Huh. Sounds good. Yeah, that's a branch. Oh, some couple of mud pits there too, huh? Whoa. I do not have the tires for this. Okay, I'm still going. Yes. I'm coming up behind you. I don't see you yet. You got a little ahead of me. You got some camouflage going there, man. Yeah. Yeah, my front tire was, you got a little more room back there if you need it. My front tire was all over the place with those couple little mud spots, and then the grass, it was just slick. My front tire was, it wasn't like sand, it was just, I don't know, it was just kind of wandering a little bit. I don't know, different than sand, but still. Oop. Yeah, that's the other problem, being short-legged like me. Here, I can help you if you... Got it? Muscle and grunt, and it gets there. Yeah, I guess so, yeah. I like going to the top of things. Let's go up.